Setting up Accountable2You on your Linux device is quick and easy. This video will walk you through the process. First, open a web browser and navigate to support.accountable2you.com. In the search box, type Install Accountable2You for Linux. Click the first article that appears to open our installation guide for Linux devices. Next, scroll down to step 1. Here, you'll see a link with instructions for installing the Snap Store. The Snap Store must be installed before installing Accountable2You, so if it's not installed on your device, you'll need to do that first. If the Snap Store is installed on your device, simply click the Get It from the Snap Store button. In this case, I do not have the Snap Store installed, so I'll need to install it. To do this, click the link to install the Snap Store. The instructions include a terminal command, so the next step is to open the Linux terminal. In the terminal, type the command from the instructions and then press Enter. You'll be prompted to type your device's password. Type your password, press Enter again, and wait for the installation to complete. You'll see a confirmation that the Snap Store is now installed. At this point, you can close the terminal and the Snap Store instructions. Now that the Snap Store is installed, you can use it to install Accountable2You. To do this, click the Get It from the Snap Store button on the installation guide. Click the green Install button and select View in Desktop Store. This will open the Snap Store. On this page, click Install. You'll be prompted to type your device's password. Type your password and click Authenticate to begin the installation. When it's finished, click Open and then click Log In. On the page that appears, click Next. Click Next again and give your computer a unique name. In this case, I'll leave the default name. Enter your Accountable2You username. Finally, enter your password. Next, click Add Device. Click Check My Device and click Done. At this point, you'll see a green banner indicating that the device is now monitored. And that's it! Accountable2You will now quietly monitor in the background. If you need any help, please visit our support website. Thanks for watching.